So here we are with 6 days left on our 20 day to build a car challenge. It is 3:30 on Wednesday. We will be on the road at this time next week. And at this point we've made excellent progress in the last 24 hours. Jeremy has almost completed all the 12-volt wiring. Dale is just finishing up the rear brake lines, and we should have a braking system. Over here we've got our new tires mounted and balanced on our wheels. And as we walk around the front of the car, we've got all of our wires that were mocked up. The only thing left to do now is wire in the relays. These are our new brake lines, our master cylinders. And at this point it's mounting seats, water pump and bottle, and we should be well on our way. The body is in progress. We should be picking that up on Saturday and installing it on Sunday or Monday, and I think we're in good shape. So stay tuned at Entropy Racing and see the progress of Blinky, our fourth EVSR, actually our fifth EVSR, in our second generation car. So this is chassis number 002 and number 2.02. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, and we'll see you tomorrow.